What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, traders? Hope you all having a good time. Today is Sunday, and you already know what it is. It's giveaway time, guys. Let's get it. Today, you can win the Genius Trading Masterclass course, plus a lifetime membership in the inner circle of our team, where you can connect to all the traders from our team, and where you get the signals and analysis stuff from our traders, from me and from Stefan and some other traders from the group who talk to each other inside of the group chat. And some money as well, some money to trade as well. I've uploaded like 5 videos where I'm going to pick one winner so if you have commented the videos, you can win something. And I've seen a couple of guys who are spamming the comment section. Guys, please, if you want to win this giveaway, you don't need to spam the chat, the comment section, because I filter the duplicate users anyways. So it doesn't matter if you make like one comment or 2 or 3 or 100 with your account. Makes no difference, because it will filter the comments and you can only win with one comment. That's it, guys. I'm filtering the duplicate users because I don't want you to spam the section. Make it fair for everybody, you know. If you create multiple accounts, okay, maybe you can make your odds of winning even higher, but I mean, for real, guys, like, be fair. Drop one comment, that's good. That's all you need to do. Don't escalate and make too much comments. Makes no sense, okay? So yeah, let's pick the first winner. I had this video over here. This was the latest video. Let's put it in our random comments, in our random comment picker. I'm filtering the duplicate users so you can see, and then I'll see how many unique commenters we have, and we have 332. Let's see who is the first one. Kilan Patel, you got the first one. You got the first one, man. Congratulations. First of all, I started with real money when I was 18 years old, with like 2 grand. I had some savings. Started with 2 grand, but had a margin call, lost most of the money. It took me I started with trading on demo accounts when I was 16 years old, and then now I'm 26. Like, I'm doing this for 10 years now. But I had a tough road. It took me like 4 or 5 years until I really became consistent profitable, making money. And the time before that, I was testing all that different stuff, had problems with my emotions and money management. And as soon as I started to get over that hurdle, everything worked very fast. I got funded by a prop firm. I made the challenge tryouts, you know. Then they funded me with some good amounts, like 6 figures. And then we had the profit share, like I think it was like 60% what I was getting this time. It was back in the days when I was, when I was 21, started to trade for a prop firm. And yeah, I made very good money. And then like 2 or 3 years later, I started to use my own capital, you know. And yeah, then I was more free, could play with even different risk management, you know, a little bit more aggressive. So yeah, this is what I did, buddy. Like, this was I hope I answered your question. And now let's pick another one. Let's see who we got. How many commenters we have for this video, where I was like 150 grand this morning, which is around 2.3% or something. Trading big account. So 249 unique commenters. Let's pick a winner. Bam, we got it. Congratulations, buddy. Let's go. Yahuda Yasharala. So if you win this, guys, please drop me video from your screen, from your phone or whatever. I want to see how you can edit the exact comment that has won, okay? Nobody else can win this, only if you can edit your comment and show me in a video that the proof that it's you that won this thing. All right, so you guys get like $100 plus the Genius Training Masterclass course. Let's see what else we have. Let's see, so this is a third video. Yeah, it was nice. It wasn't, what a nice day. So we have 342 unique commenters. Nikhil Mina, awesome. All right, buddy, you got it. Make sure to drop me a video where I can see that it's you. Then we have this one over here, another one. We already picked 3 winners. Oh, my nose is scratching. So 331. Let's see who is the winner. Muhammad, you got it, man. You got it. Make sure to drop me a video, buddy. Congratulations. Which one was this? This was this one. Okay, now I pick number 5, and then I have one extra special. This is video number 5. Winner number 5. 289 people commented. Let's see. Who do we have? Paul, the winner. You got it, bro. You got it, man. Congratulations, man. This is your applause. You got it, man. Make sure to show me that it's you. Prove that it's you, and then you can get the prize. And then we got one special, guys, because we had this music video. We just released this music video, and I was telling you guys, please drop some comments in this comment section, and if you write something with like dope, you know, then you can win something. Now we are talking about $100 straight to your PayPal for supporting our music business, man. It's awesome, guys. Thank you for your support. Let's see what we have. Like how many people have commented with dope. Let's see how many people have commented with dope. Okay, we have 152 people who commented with dope. And how many people do we have without dope? 246. So I'm going to pick one winners from everybody. Okay, so everybody has the chance to win, because I think here are some guys who forgot to write dope, but they need to have the chance as well. So let's see. Let's pick a random winner for the $100. Thank you again for supporting the music. I really loved it. So T20Co, show me that it's your YouTube account. Show me that you can edit this comment, and then yeah, I'm going to send you the money. Thank you for your support, guys. It's awesome. It's awesome to have your support. I really love to read some of your comments, guys. Amazing. And if you're not in the inner circle yet, but you're thinking about to join, guys, make sure to really speed up, because you got 3 days left until the price will probably go up. So yeah, join the team, guys. It's worth it. You're gonna learn everything, how to make money, guys. You can connect to traders from all around the world, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, guys. Yeah, that's being said, enjoy your Sunday. Let's see what we got for the upcoming week. I'm sure we're gonna make some money. And yeah, I'm fired up, guys. Wish you a great day and good time, and see you in the next video. Peace out.
Fly me to the moon.